Should be big. It's got really big. Look. Holy shit. Okay. That's burnt. Wait for it. Oh, it's not. Oh, grody! That is straight up disgusting.
Oh, it smells so good. Not actually though, but cooked banana is really good. If you like fry it in sugar.
Microwave banana is not good, Noah.
There's no category for microwave banana. Teabag. I'm just gonna put in this
Look
one.
at that one, yeah. Fruits and veggies.
What is this? Fruit or a veggie?
I think it's not even classifiable as a food after it's microwaved.
Can I put another can there just for microwave bananas?
They'll get my parents wondering.
You know what you do with microwave bananas?
No, stop!